the seasons back. Here come the feelings back. And I'm back again. And I'm back again.
Today is an incredible celebration. It's a celebration of love, a commitment of friendship, and of two people that are truly in love and starting this great journey together.
I think it's only fitting that I wrote my vows on an airplane on a Friday on my way from Phoenix to Orange County as a single woman for the very last time. There was no better way to close our story and to start a new chapter today as your wife.
In the back of the car, we at the party when you took me by the hand.
Tonight is the night that we have been talked about since our first date. I don't think long distance is really going to work. Turned into 6 years of the most incredible, heart-filling best friendship that I could have ever prayed for.
I just can't beat you. You're something special. But damn, it's stressful.
I love you. Oh, you have to be back.
Kai and Stephanie first met 7 years ago at a Sun Devils Riders school party while Kai was visiting Marco in Phoenix. Their first date was a few months later when Stephanie flew to visit this cute California boy. And through the years, they decided that distance was bearable, but a life without each other was not.
And you begged me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line.
I watched Kai walk Steph to her truck at the end of the evening, and when he returned, after what felt like forever, he came up to me all giddy and reports, "I got her number, dude, I got her number. I'm in love." Oh, okay, we're at a college party. I'm like, "You're in love?" I roll my eyes. Oh, yeah, right. But it became clear to me that that goofy smile on his face that he had then, and he's got right there, so that one right there, is what love looks like, guys. It was love at first sight.
Steph and I clicked immediately. And a couple weeks into our friendship, she had this wild and crazy idea. So she wanted to fly out to California to meet this guy she had just met, really cute guy at the Sun Devils Rider Club. She wanted to fly out there and spend the weekend with Kai. She came home completely enamored by this man right here. She was already ready to plan her next trip.
I vow to be your partner. From this moment on, you will never walk alone. I will be there through every twist and every turn that life brings. My arms will be your shelter, and my heart will be your home, so that no matter where we go in this world, you will have me by your side.
Stephanie, I love you, and I will always love you forever. These are easy words to say, so here are just a few reasons of why I fell in love with you. The way you taught me to enjoy life, but really how you taught me how to ski. The way that you radiate happiness in every situation. It has been a balance to my rigid mindset. The way that you took my breath away from the first time I saw you to the moment you tapped me on the shoulder this afternoon.
Our faces might change, we will groan when we get off the couch, and we might have too many wrinkles to count, but I vowed to never stop holding your hand, kissing you, or falling deep into your arms after a long day of work.
We very often talk about how different our relationship is and question, how did we get here? And I'll tell you, it wasn't on a dirt bike, it wasn't on a street bike, skis, or the Vespa. It was by design, by plan, by the big man upstairs.
Kai, my love and my best friend, from this moment on, these are the things I vow to you. There will be no end to this love that we share. You are my forever.
We won't forget who we are inside.
Kai, aka Little Panda, it's the moment you've been waiting for. You may kiss the bride. I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Harris.
I love you. That was so fun.
Earlier, we were kind of talking at our table among ourselves about really the important people in your life and really sharing such a special day like a wedding with those special people.
Kai, you loved me as a brother. You stood by my side through this roller coaster of life. I'm so grateful, and I really, really love you. You two have really grown from those two kids at a college party. And I've seen you overcome obstacles, grow individually and as a unit, and stay true to one another. And here you are, when long distance wasn't gonna work. Now you're married.
Oh no, we don't have to look too far.
That night when we were sitting in Marco's parents' house, Kai looked at me directly in the eyes, and I'll never forget this. And he said, I think I want to ask Stephanie to marry me. And honestly, after watching this relationship form and grow over the last 7 years, I could not be happier to stand here today.
No matter where we are, we don't have to look too far.
Stephanie, you could not have found a better man. So thank you for letting me be here, and I wish you every happiness in the world. To Stephanie and Kai.